Alright, so this is our very first step. You have to go to this website, then you have to click this place which is written as pricing, then choose music, and you can see here this person right here, only today he has made $800, and the other person here, he has made $80. And for you to start making money just by selling music, you have to scroll down here, then you have to click here sell your media. So you are going to sell AI music which can be generated within 1 second, and it's very easy for you to start making money just by uploading this AI music to this website. So what you have to do right now, you have to click this place which is written as sell your media, then upload your music, and ready to start earning money. So right now I'm going to tell you the best method that you can do to make sure that you earn a lot of money. I'm just going to be honest with you. You are not going to make like, $3,000, $5,000, but at least you can make $500 up to $1,000 by selling music on this platform. So right now I'm going to tell you how are you going to generate this music and all the steps necessary for you to start earning money through these different websites that I'm going to show you in this video. Alright, so the very good thing and what I really like about this is that anyone can generate music. It doesn't matter how old you are. You can be over 30, you can be under 30, you can start making money using this very simple method. So this is how we are going to generate music so that we can start selling on that website. So you have to go to ChatGPT, as you can see right here, and write, please make me a beautiful love song but yet very sad. And as you can see, ChatGPT has generated for us these lyrics. Then you have to copy these lyrics from ChatGPT. Now you have to go to this website which is called AIVA, AIVA, and you just have to paste it right here. Then you have to scroll down and you can choose the style of music that you want. And so I'm going to choose acoustic, violin, and guitar. Also, as you can see down here, you can choose music genre, like what kind of music that you want. It can be pop, it can be R&B, it can be blues, any type of music that you want. And down here you have to choose the voice of the singer. It can be a female or a male artist. So I think it will be very good for me to choose a woman voice in this video. So as you can see here, in a very short time our music will be generated. And the very good thing about this website is that it's gonna give us two choices. So we are going to be provided more than 2 songs, and this is what you have to understand. So it will be so easy for us to choose like which one is better than the other one. This website has already generated us 2 songs, and this is the very first song and this one is the second song. So in order for you to download this music, you just have to click down here and you have to click here download, and I'm going to show you how are you going to sell this music after downloading. But first you have to listen a little about the music that we have just made.
Don't wait for me, but my heart never.
Alright, so after making this music, you have to download. Right now I'm going to show you like how we're going to make money just by selling this music. Is very interesting and everyone can do this. So right after downloading this music from this website, right now you need this music to sound in high quality. It doesn't have to sound like AI. So all you need to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Audacity, and this website is gonna clean this audio. Is gonna make this audio in a very high quality, but also we are going to remove any unnecessary noise that can be heard in this song. So this website is gonna help us to do this in a very short time. You just have to clear this music, and after that you're gonna have to download this music again. You have to export. Right now you have to export this audio into MP3 format or WAV format, because a lot of people prefer this format. Alright, so right now we are going to sell these audios that we have just generated using this AI. So you have to go to this website that I showed you in the beginning of this video. This website is called Pond5, and this website is gonna help you sell this music in a very easy way, and you're gonna make a lot of money. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to this website, then you have to click this place which is written as pricing. then you have to choose music. And as you can see, there are a lot of creators on this website. They are making decent amount of money, so you have to click this press which is written as sell your media, then upload your music, and you can start selling this music on this website, which is very trusted. It's called Pond 5. But there are a lot of other websites that you can sell your music, and you can get up to $300 a month, up to $500 a month. As I said before, you really don't have to expect a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm gonna be honest with you. You are going to make money, but not like a lot of money. You really don't have to expect like making thousands of dollars and all that. So the other website that you can sell your music to is called audiojango.net. This is a platform that is very trusted. So you have to go to this website, and on the top here, you just have to click here, start selling. You'll be able to start selling your music that you have just generated with AI. You don't have to be a singer for you to start selling your music. The other website is called BeatStars, as you can see here. So right on the top of this website, you just have to click here, start selling, and you can start selling your music. So you just have to make sure that every time that you upload music on each of these websites that I mentioned, you just have to write clear titles and descriptions, tags, so that it will be so easier for your music to be found. Anyone who is going on this platform and search for any music, it will be so easy for your music to be sold. But also, it's very important to share your profile on this website that you have just joined for you to sell this music, in order for you to get customers and all that. I really encourage, it's really important for you to share this profile to different social media so that people can see your profile and start buying your music. For you to be relevant on these platforms, you really need to be clear on your titles, because you really need to understand like what type of music it can be so easier to be sold, like pop music or R&B music or hip hop music. So it will be so easy for you to know that you need to generate type of music so that you can get customers in a very easy way. So out of these platforms, you can end up making $100 up to $200, and if you're working really hard, you can make up to $1,000. So I encourage for you to go ahead and try these methods and see how much you're going to make. And as I told you that you don't have to expect a lot of money. I don't want to be like a scammer, and I don't want to promise you like a lot of money, which is really not true. So go ahead and try out and see how much you're gonna make from this website. And the good thing about this is that equipment, it's just creativity on how you chat with ChatGPT and the type of music that you want. All this depends on your prompt that you have just generated on these AI platforms. So thanks so much, and I see you next time.